one of my final questions, right, is outside of your kids, what is your greatest or most significant achievement to date?
Oh boy, outside of my kids, I guess that includes my granddaughters, huh? Um, you know what? I think really and truly, it is my achievements are the successes of the people that go through the program. The program that we're running right now, the She's Linked Up Accelerator program, the women that are coming into it with no sense of how to, how to land $20,000 and $50,000 contracts are getting them, and their lives are being changed, right? So I feel pretty proud of that. I'm pretty proud of what we've put together, and I love that we're changing lives every single day. And I saw a statistic a couple of months ago that women in 2019, like last year, women made $545 billion less than men for the same jobs.
Hmm.
That's a big damn number, right? So I want to help women take a bite out of that. And we're doing that. So I'm pretty proud that we're doing that.